Here with Scott at the Hit Centre Gym in South Yarra. He's just going to run us through the new speed ropes from Iron Edge compared to his outgoing model.
Well, we were loading up and trying to find a nice cheap, skipping rope that we could use around the gym, so we headed down to a local company and picked some up for, about $10. And we got basically what you'd expect, They started falling apart almost immediately. Several of them straight out of the packet were already shattered. And as we've gone along, handles started to break, effectively, becoming completely useless. So we gave up on those, and we found an alternative that's basically almost exactly the same price, maybe an extra $2, but the quality of components is so much nicer, the speed of the rope's a lot better, clients see it, it's a good quality piece of equipment. They're much happy to use it, so we're going to be using Iron Edge's, new skipping rope from now on.
Hey Scott.